Venugopal, Minister for Sri Maragan Bharat, MP, Rajmantri, Manga, Gita, Vishwanath, Kakinada. This is a very nice occasion when I have the opportunity of meeting you all in this great Mela. When the Culture Department of the Government of India has been assigned to Mr. Kishan Reddy along with a number of other portfolios, I was extremely happy because I know he's a cultural background. And here I like to tell you one thing. When we had a series of meetings
with Atalji, our great leader, a particular place has been fixed for taking our food only. But when the people came to know that Atalji has come, many people gathered there and they demanded that Atalji should say something. Atalji started saying, "Arey bhaiya, hum to eating karne rahe hain, meeting ke liye nahi." Similarly, today, to show the cultural programs, arts and culture, I have come greeting ke liye, not for meeting. And as you all know, that this is the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav year. And the cultural minister has a lot of programs all over the country. And this is one of them. And as you know, that the spirit of patriotism or nationalism, which has been enkindled amongst the people of this country during the freedom fight, that has to be again rekindled. For that, the Prime Minister has installed the hologram statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and promised the nation that a very huge statue will be installed in the India Gate. You must be remembering that during the freedom fight, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose had said, "Delhi chalo." In one of my articles after this occasion, I said, Netaji has reached the India Gate. That means he has reached Delhi. And he is the only Prime Minister who has given the greatest tribute to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who asked the people, the young people of the country during the freedom fight, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." There is turmoil all over the country, from Himalayan to Kanyakumari. People without caring for the British bullets come to the street. Azad Fauj has been formed. And Netaji started attacking the Britishers from outside the country. Netaji has got the greatest, the highest respect for Gandhiji. But he had only the difference that by this non-violent method, we cannot drive out the Britishers who are kept us under bondage. That is the only difference. Therefore, he went to Singapore. From there, again Japan, Germany, and 6 other countries. And a government has been formed which has been recognized by 9 countries then. Germany, Japan, and other countries. And in this Azadi Mahotsav year, so many things are to be think of. They were our forefathers. In each state, they fought against the Britishers. When in 1942, Quit India movement, Gandhiji asked the people that come to the street and ask Britishers to quit India. Many people ridiculed, saying that the naked fakir is saying such a great power of the world to quit India. But when lakhs of people joined voice with Mahatma Gandhi and asked Britishers, quit India, there is a tremor in the country. And it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who is observing all these things today, in this year. And as you know, that many things have been done in the meantime. The centralized celebration, the contribution of Sabarmati Ashram, Champaran farmers agitation, which gave a great boost to the freedom fight. 75 years of independence, 70 years, and bicentennial celebration of Paika Vidroho, which has been named by the Britishers. We have 2 revolutions which are named as Sipahi Mutiny, Paika Mutiny. We fought against the Britishers. Our Sipahis who have raised their gun against the Britishers in 1857 are to be praised, are to be honored. And similarly, in the Paika Revolution, it was a bloody mass revolution. And when it was said that Paika Vidroho, yesterday I heard that our concerned minister corrected them. It is not a rebellion. It is not a Paika Vidroho. It is a revolution. Actually, there are all revolution. But they being the victors, they are named it as Vidrohos. So today is a day, I am extremely joy seeing this huge congregation, and especially congregation of this arts, crafts and culture. And I therefore thank you all. Observe this Azadi ki Amrit Mahotsav with all joy and honor. Not only enjoy that, of that very spirit with which our forefathers had fought against the Britishers. India is the greatest democratic country, the greatest democracy of the world now. In every sphere, you are going ahead. It has become another superpower. And being the citizens of this country, we are all proud. We will be proud for it. And we should be prepared to make all sorts of sacrifices for this country. Thank you all. Joy.